Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm not drawing a name today for this week's channel shout out because it goes to Mr. Ron T. Sawyer. Apparently last week he was sick, which I believe it was pneumonia and bronchitis, I believe. It's a double kick to the groin. Whew. And that's just that's rough. I don't think I've ever had either personally, but either way, you know, I think we can all agree though that being sick is the worst. So I just saw his video yesterday though. He did an update and he said he was feeling better already, so that's good to hear. Still want to give him a shout out anyway. His camera looks crooked. Wanted to give him a shout out for that. Just so you hope you're feeling better, brother. I would have shot this sooner, but you know, I work two swing shifts on my job, and then I work three morning shifts. When I get off work, I go to the gym. So you know, I had to go pump some iron and, you know, try to get Mr. Gut smaller. So I do think Ron has a great channel, and I think if you're not subbed, you could. Of course, I'll link the description for him. Not to mention, I will also do. There'll be end card with his channel, so you can hop on over, give him a check. I think most of us are subbed to him, but if you're not, give him a look. Good guy, real good dude. So that's it for this week's channel shout out, and of course, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits to our veterans. 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives, which should be 0, so 22 a day, no more. I also like to throw out a special thanks to our first responders and EMT for, you know, saving lives every day too, so I think they should deserve some recognition as well. So with that, I do thank you for watching. Don't forget to check Ron's channel if you're not, and have a fantastic week. I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, I realized I almost forgot to show the sticker. The legend, Ron T. Sawyer right here, next to Muskrat Gym Survival. Chris Stone, or formerly Chris's Variety Channel, Black and White Fire Starter, our sister Shalisa Shell, Donna, Dream Creations and Adventure, and Caledonia Outdoors. So he's in some good company.